Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Garden Journal is probably one of the most useful tools for any gardener, from seasoned professionals to enthusiastic beginners. It allows you to meticulously document your gardening journey, including planting dates, seed varieties, growth stages, pest infestations, harvest yields, and even personal notes on your experiences and observations. This detailed record-keeping not only helps you improve your gardening techniques year after year but also provides a valuable resource for future planning and decision-making, ensuring a bountiful and successful garden. Number 5. Agwani Handicraft Vintage Journal. It features 200 pages of antique-looking decal-edged paper, giving it a truly unique and historical feel. You'll love the texture and character of this handmade paper. Don't let its antique look fool you. It's compatible with all types of pens. From fountain pens to ballpoints, it handles them all with ease. Its stylish medieval-inspired button lock adds to its charm and keeps your thoughts secure. The distressed leather and hand stitching make it a cherished keepsake. It's perfect as a notepad, journal, sketchbook, or even a photo album. Its compact size makes it easy to carry, and its thick pages prevent bleed-through. At 5 by 7 inches, it's the perfect size for portability and creativity. The 200 pages of smooth, thick paper provide a wonderful writing experience. What we like? It features unique antique handmade paper, which is perfect for journaling, sketching, or drawing. Its compact size makes it easy to carry around. If you are looking for a beautiful and versatile journal for your creative pursuits, this is the one for you. Number 4. Gardener's Logbook. It's more than just a book, it's your personal gardening assistant. Keep track of everything in one place, making gardening easier and more enjoyable. Record planting dates, seed types, and observe the growth of your plants. It's the perfect way to monitor progress and learn from each season. Note down harvest dates and the quantity of your produce. This helps you plan for future plantings and maximize your yield. Document any pest infestations or diseases affecting your plants. Early detection is key to protecting your garden. Record weather patterns and soil conditions to understand how they impact your plants. This helps you adapt your gardening techniques. Add your own personal notes, observations, and reflections on your gardening journey. It's a space for your gardening wisdom to grow. What we like? This is a dedicated gardening logbook for plant tracking and recording. It's designed to be durable and long-lasting, perfect for years of gardening. If you need a reliable way to keep track of your plant's growth and progress, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It has 125 pages for 125 individual plant records. There's an intro page, 3 hardiness zone pages, 9 grid pages for drawing your garden plot, and 3 pages of nice little tips. And then 125 pages for plant info. It's a plant logbook and very lovely in the layout and design of the plant pages. Love how many plant log pages there are, 125 pages. I probably put about 90 different plants in the ground every year, so this will last me a year and a half of plantings, which is great. I can foresee buying one every year and having a row of them, marked with dates, on my shelf to reference back to. As with every product I've purchased from this company, the quality is top-notch. Thick pages, solid construction, truly functional pocket that will hold up to use, and a beautiful cover. Each type of seed plant gets its own page, and you can record detailed information about origin, date germinated, date planted, growing conditions, and plant productivity. I grow a wide range of vegetables, flowers, and herbs, so I want to be better organized to avoid some of my past beginner mistakes, and this will help, as long as I'm disciplined enough to use it. 1 page per plant variety with lots of prompts to record important information, concise and easy to find info, convenient small size, a grid to draw out garden planning, no extraneous pages. Number 3. Garden Planner Logbook. It's your key to a thriving garden. Plan your planting schedule and track your progress with ease. Perfect for flower, vegetable, and plant enthusiasts. It helps you keep everything organized and in one place. Create detailed plant profiles and design your garden layout. It's the perfect tool for planning your dream garden. Monitor your plant's progress throughout the year. It helps you understand what works best for your garden. It simplifies gardening. You'll be amazed at how much easier it is to manage your garden. It's not just practical, it's also a beautiful addition to your gardening tools. Enjoy the process of planning and growing. What we like? It's a monthly gardening organizer with space for plant profiles and layout design. It helps you plan and track your garden effectively. If you're looking for a comprehensive gardening planner to organize your garden, this is perfect for you. What people say. It has many dedicated pages for each type of plant, vegetable, or flower you are growing, plus a year at a glance, monthly calendars, and lots of places for notes and lists so you can track things and do better and better each season. The plant pages have spots for most valuable details as well as a full notes page that allows for any extra information. It is definitely a valuable tool for keeping things in one place for future reference. This is very concisely laid out and has plenty of room to record all kind of information. Number 2. Journal's Unlimited Gardener's Journal. This journal is your perfect companion for documenting your gardening adventures. It's designed to help you record everything from planting instructions to bloom dates, making it easy to track your progress and relive your successes. Whether you're growing tomatoes or roses, it provides space to record all the essential details for each of your plants. Keep track of planting dates, water needs, and more, all in one convenient place. It's more than just a place to write, it's a way to preserve your gardening memories. Use it to record observations, challenges, and triumphs, creating a lasting record of your green thumb journey. It's crafted with high-quality, recycled paper and soy-based ink, ensuring your memories are preserved for years to come. Plus, it's made in the USA, supporting local craftsmanship. Its sturdy green hardcover is designed to withstand the elements, just like your garden. The beautiful design makes it a keepsake you'll cherish for years. Each page offers ample space for notes, sketches, and even photos of your thriving plants. It's the perfect blend of practicality and artistic expression. What we like. This journal includes writing prompts to help you capture your gardening journey. It's made in the USA with recycled paper, making it an eco-friendly choice. If you value quality and sustainability, this journal is for you. What people say. Doing a major garden renovation meant I had lots of new plants to keep track of. This book has been perfect and easy to use. So helpful to remember where I purchased plants and to have a place to record the advice found on the plant label and or on the web. The pages are heavy paper with places for every bit of information possibly needed. This one allows you to write in the season amp date as needed whenever important garden info needs to be kept. It's also flexible enough that I can add in as many details as I want to the garden notes section on the back of each entry page. I particularly like the spiral binding stays open as needed and the hardboard front back covers minimizes dog-eared corners. Number 1. My Gardening Journal. It's time to get organized and plan your garden. This journal will help you set goals and track your progress throughout the year. Start by setting clear goals for your garden this year. What do you want to achieve? What plants will you grow? Plan the layout of your garden. Use it to sketch out where you'll plant each type of vegetable, flower, or herb. Record everything you do in your garden, from planting dates to watering schedules. This will help you learn and improve. Track how well your plants are doing. Note down the harvest dates and the quantity of your crops. Analyze your successes and failures. Reflect on your gardening journey. Record what you've learned each season so you can improve your gardening skills year after year. What we like. This journal helps you set annual goals, track crop performance, and record what you learn each season. It's a great tool for improving your gardening skills over time. If you want to improve your gardening skills and document your progress, this is the journal for you. What people say. This is a great starting journal for a newbie like myself. There are a lot of prompts and information, it's beautifully designed, and there are quite a lot of pages to fill out for tracking your plant's processes. It contains a color-coded map of temperature zones, to let you know which one you're in and inform your plant hardiness, a goals page, a page to track where you have full sun partial sun shade in your garden, a pests tracking page, and 3 years of plant history tracking, among other things. This book is a gem. Over the years I have moved existing plants here and there, but designing a garden from scratch was something outside my scope of experience. This journal offers just the right amount of information, while leaving me plenty of room to design, explore, and record my journey. I like the different sections that allow you to keep track of different things like sun coverage, composting, and other things in addition to pages to track each type of plant you're growing. This is set up to be used over multiple years. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.